A house that not only provides shelter but also calms has a certain quiet charm. A well-designed area invites respite and allows time to breathe, bringing tranquility to the day. This one-story retirement retreat is more than just a building. It's a hideaway where peace and coziness permeate every area, fostering memorable experiences and convenient living. The exterior of this small house exudes coziness and simplicity as we go closer. The front yard is lined with flower beds and low-maintenance plants that bring color and vitality. Mornings can start with the fresh air on a tiny, comfortable porch. The interior design exhibits deliberate minimalism. With a large opening that lets in natural light, the master bedroom is a tranquil haven. The calm ambiance created by the incoming light makes it the ideal place to relax and rejuvenate. The wide windows in the living room let in an abundance of natural light, making it the focal point of this house. It's a place to relax, get together, and take in quiet moments. This space exudes openness and tranquility thanks to its smooth transition to the outdoor garden. This living space, which has been designed with comfort and simplicity in mind, welcomes you to snuggle in and forget about the stresses of the day. As we move inside the kitchen, style and functionality collide. There is ample space for meal preparation, informal dining, or even a friendly conversation while cooking in an open-concept layout with an island. A comfortable dining nook nearby provides a place to sit for private meals with loved ones. Every meal in this window front setting is accompanied with a view of the surrounding vegetation. A tiny, adorable patio in the middle of this house adds even more tranquility. This serene area, which is stocked with potted plants and even a basic fountain, is ideal for taking a few moments to yourself, whether it's for a midday break or a morning cup of coffee. Through easy room connections and a natural flow to the design, this courtyard infuses the house with vitality and freshness. This connection to nature is extended in the backyard. The perfect place to spend sunny days in peaceful settings is a modest patio with outdoor seats, a covered area, and a basic garden area with a hint of vegetation. Comfort and usefulness go hand in hand. Tucked down next to the kitchen, a tiny laundry room offers convenience without interfering with daily life.